Have you ever wondered how courts in South Africa actually decide how much child maintenance should be paid? It's not random, and it's definitely not always 50-50. It all starts with the child. The court looks at what the child needs to live properly, things like food, clothing, school fees, medical care, transport, and even activities. Then they look at both parents' finances. That means your income, your expenses, and what you can realistically afford to contribute. So it's really about balancing two things, the child's needs and each parent's ability to pay. For example, if a child's monthly needs are around 6,000 rand and one parent earns more than the other, they will usually pay a bigger share. So if one parent earns about 60% of the total income, they might cover around 3,600 while the other covers the rest. So no, it's not automatically split equally. It's based on who earns what. When you go to court, you will need to prove everything. That includes pay slips, bank statements, and proof of your expenses like rent, groceries, and school fees. The court uses all of that to make a fair decision. Also, it's not only biological parents who can be responsible. Anyone who has a legal duty to care for the child can be required to contribute. And if your situation changes, like losing your job or earning more, you can always go back and ask the court to adjust the amount. At the end of the day, the goal is simple. Make sure the child is taken care of and both parents contribute fairly based on what they can afford.